Coaches, how would you feel if you could download your website, have your opt-in freebie page done, your thank you page done, you could have your email sequence done, your opt-in, your product set up, a framework for your membership or your course, and it all be done for you? This would make you money fast. If you are ready to take charge of your business and download my coaching funnels, please click below. You will be able to drag and drop text into my done for you templates and start selling your course, your program now. You will have a freebie done so that you can get people onto your email list and nurture them with a done for you email coaching sequence. All you have to do is click now and you can download this whole framework so that you can start attracting clients in your sleep. If you check out my coaching funnel here, if you click edit, you would view the assets and you would see all of the assets in this campaign. You would have 4 pages. One is for the opt-in, one is for the thank you page, one is for the product. You would have the lead magnet sequence and the product sequence. You would have 2 lists, one for the opt-in, one for your course or program, the product for people to purchase, tagging your clients. You would have a small course hosting site, and you would have your forms. This makes life super easy for coaches. You just download and change the text. This is very easy. Once you hit my campaigns, it will be delivered and you'll have a plus sign here and you will be able to download your funnel. So once you purchase your funnel, you will go into your Kartra account, click My Campaigns, and Done for You. You will see here pending acceptance. This is a funnel by Monica Bravo, and you would hit accept. Once you accept it, it'll tell you that everything was successfully imported, and you'll be able to go to your pages and your forms and see the assets. So once you're in your campaigns, you would click View Assets. You will see all the assets that were delivered, and then you would click Deploy, and you would deploy the assets and begin working on them. And you'll see here your Done For You campaign. Here it says pending acceptance, accept. So it says you may deploy the campaign whenever you want, as many times as you want. Close that. So once you deploy your assets, you will go into your own Kartra account and click Pages. And I have this set as Funnel for Coach. You will see you will have a sales page, an opt-in freebie page, and a thank you page. And in these pages, you're basically going to go in and change the text of these pages to make it your own. You can fill it in and it will be amazing. Now, I'm going to show you how easy it is to change the text. You're going to click on the 3 buttons, click Edit, Now, I hope you can see how easy it will be to create your website, your freebie, and your thank you page. You can do this over the weekend or even in one day. All you need to do is click on the dots, click edit, change the text and the photos and the brand colors, and you'll be good to go. If you have any additional questions, you can email me, Monica Bravo, coach@gmail.com.